Are your legs feeling weaker lately? You might not notice it right away, but one day, getting up from a chair feels just a little harder. A few months later, climbing stairs leaves you short of breath. And before you know it, even short walks feel like a workout. This isn't just normal aging. It's called muscle loss, a silent, gradual process that sneaks up on most people over time. And here's the truth most doctors don't tell you. Your legs are the first to weaken as you get older. When that happens, your balance suffers, your independence fades, and your risk of falls skyrockets. But here's the good news. It's not too late to rebuild your strength. In fact, you can start right at your kitchen table. Because while exercise is important, what you eat can be just as powerful, sometimes even more effective. In this video, we'll uncover 6 powerful foods proven to restore muscle strength, protect your bones, and keep your legs strong, steady, and full of life, even into your 80s and 90s. And make sure you stay till the end, because the #1 food on this list is something almost every senior already has in their kitchen, but almost no one eats it the right way. Before we start, tell me in the comments, how old are you, and where are you watching from? We'd love to know where our Senior Vital Health family is tuning in from today. All right, let's begin. Here are 6 science-backed foods that can help keep your legs strong, flexible, and full of life. Number 6. Sweet potatoes, the natural fuel for strong legs. When it comes to maintaining strong, steady legs, energy is everything. But not all energy is created equal. Some foods give you a quick boost, then leave you drained and sluggish. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, deliver long-lasting energy that fuels your muscles for hours, keeping you walking, climbing, and standing tall. As we age, our muscles don't store or use energy as efficiently. That's why everyday tasks like carrying groceries or walking uphill start to feel harder. Sweet potatoes help fix that naturally. Packed with complex carbohydrates, vitamin A, and potassium, they provide steady fuel without causing blood sugar spikes or crashes. Their antioxidants fight inflammation that slowly eats away at your muscle fibers. Vitamin A helps repair micro tears and ease soreness, while potassium keeps your muscles hydrated and prevents painful cramps. Even your gut benefits. The fiber in sweet potatoes supports digestion and ensures your muscles get the nutrients they need. Roast them, mash them, or add them to soups and salads. Every serving helps your legs carry you farther, one strong step at a time. Number 5. Oats, the endurance builder. Most people think oats are just a boring breakfast food, but for seniors, oats are one of the best natural endurance boosters. If your legs feel heavy halfway through the day, or you tire easily when climbing stairs, oats can make a real difference. They provide slow-releasing carbohydrates, giving your muscles steady energy for hours. No crashes, no midday fatigue, just consistent strength for walking, gardening, and staying active. But oats don't just fuel your muscles, they rebuild them. Each serving offers plant-based protein, plus iron and magnesium, which many seniors lack. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium prevents cramps, stiffness, and that tight feeling in your legs. If you often wake up with painful leg cramps, this may be your solution. Enjoy oats warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into healthy snacks. They're a quiet powerhouse that keeps your legs steady and ready for every step. Number 4. Avocados, the flexibility and cramp-fighting superfood. Avocados aren't just trendy. They're a senior's secret weapon against stiffness and cramps. That dull ache when you stand up or tightness after sitting too long? It often comes from inflammation that breaks down muscles and joints over time. Avocados fight that naturally. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats that calm inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints flexible. They also have more potassium than bananas, which prevents cramps and nighttime spasms. And their vitamin E content helps repair tiny stress points in your muscles, easing fatigue and improving mobility. Add avocado to toast, smoothies, salads, or enjoy it plain. Make it a regular habit, and you'll notice smoother movement, fewer cramps, and legs that feel alive again. Number 3. Berries, the muscle protector and anti-aging powerhouse. Aging is inevitable, but losing strength isn't. Every day, your muscles face silent enemies like oxidative stress and inflammation, which cause stiffness, fatigue, and soreness. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants that fight those effects at the cellular level. They reduce inflammation, protect muscle fibers, and boost collagen, keeping your tendons, joints, and muscles strong and youthful. And they improve blood flow, helping your muscles recover faster after activity. And as a bonus, berries sharpen your memory and focus, so your mind stays as sharp as your steps. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Every handful fuels strength, flexibility, and vitality. Sweet, simple, and powerful. Before we continue with the final two, if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Dark Health Tips for more life-changing tips to stay strong after 60. Your support truly helps us keep creating valuable content for you. Number 2. Salmon, the muscle rebuilder and circulation booster. Every time you stand or walk, your leg muscles carry your entire body weight. But as you age, your ability to rebuild muscles slows down, which is why your legs might feel weaker or more tired. Salmon helps reverse that. It's loaded with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your joints from stiffness. Omega-3s also keep your blood vessels flexible, so oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles more efficiently, meaning more energy and faster recovery.
Plus, salmon supports nerve function and coordination, helping you stay balanced and steady. You don't need it every day. Just 2 or 3 servings a week can make a noticeable difference. Grilled, baked, or even canned, salmon rebuilds strength from the inside out. Number 1. Eggs, the complete strength builder. Ask any nutrition expert what the best food is for rebuilding muscle after 60, and they'll likely say the same thing: eggs. They're small, simple, and affordable, but packed with everything your muscles need. Eggs provide high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks that repair and grow muscle tissue. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, essential for both bone strength and balance. Low vitamin D can cause fatigue and weakness, but just 1 or 2 eggs a day can help restore healthy levels. Inside the yolk, you'll also find choline, which supports nerve and muscle communication, meaning steadier steps and quicker reactions. You don't need many. Just 1 or 2 eggs daily, scrambled, boiled, or mixed with veggies, can help you stay strong, confident, and active. Because sometimes the simplest foods truly build the strongest foundations. How to use these foods for best results. You don't need to eat all 6 every day. Just mix and match them throughout the week. What matters most is consistency. Even a few servings of each can noticeably boost your leg strength and energy. Tip: morning is ideal. Nutrient-rich breakfasts give your muscles fuel for the whole day. But you'll benefit anytime: morning, noon, or night. You can even combine them: oats with berries or salmon with avocado. These foods work even better together, something called food synergy. And yes, gentle movement helps these nutrients work faster. Simple stretches, short walks, or chair exercises will double your progress. Nutrition fuels your body. Movement activates it. Together, they rebuild your legs from the inside out. Sweet potatoes, long-lasting energy and faster recovery. Oats, steady fuel and muscle repair. Avocados, reduced inflammation and fewer cramps. Berries, muscle protection and better circulation. Salmon, rebuilds strength and boosts nerve function. Eggs, the complete foundation for strong and stable legs. Together, these 6 foods form your natural defense against weakness, stiffness, and loss of balance. Even small, consistent changes like adding sweet potatoes to dinner or berries to breakfast can transform how your legs feel in just a few weeks. So start today, because every bite you take is an investment in your strength, freedom, and independence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more tips on staying strong and active after 60. And tell us in the comments, Which of these 6 foods do you already eat, and which one will you start adding to your meals this week? Your story might inspire someone else to take their first step toward stronger legs too. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving, because every step you take is a step toward a longer, more vibrant life.